If you saw someone claiming to be from the past, would you believe them?
One day in Tokyo, Japan, in 1954, a police officer saw a confused and scared woman on the street. Her clothes were old fashioned and she looked very afraid. The officer walked up to her and asked, "Are you okay?" The woman looked at him with wide, worried eyes and said, "Where am I? What year is this?" The officer replied, "This is the year 1954." The woman shook her head and said, "No, this is wrong. I'm from the year 1862." The officer thought she might be sick or confused, so they took her to the police station. They asked for her identification and she gave them a strange piece of a paper. The paper was very old. It had her name and birthday written on it, but the place listed on it did not exist. The police tried to find her family, but nobody knew her. There was no record of her anywhere. The next day, the police went to check on her, but she had disappeared. The window was closed and the locked door had never been opened. She was gone. No one knows what happened to her. Was she a time travel? Or was it just a mystery? What do you think?